Okay, y'all. You know we can't show our face because we didn't get the 100 subscribers yet. But we finna prank our grandma. We gonna do a sound effect thing on my grandma sitting by her door, so she gonna be like, "What's going on? What's going on? It's going crazy." She gonna think she going crazy and lose our mind. So guys, we gonna do a sound effect.
I'm giving y'all a horn.
Okay. Oh, she gonna see in the camera. I'm trying to do it, y'all.
Where's y'all want these barbecue meatballs?
I'm gonna go back today.
What's that? You guys can tell over there.
There go my phone.
Huh?
It's my phone right here.
What y'all doing that? You better say what it is.
She gonna clean that. She gonna clean that.
Oh, yes. I thought that was my water. I was like,